Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this channel we talk life, food, family, and fun, everything that affects our lives on a regular basis, from cleaning to cooking to parenting to marriage, communication, and some odd product reviews in between, which are super fun. So if that's of interest to you, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video. I do post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I post that on Instagram as well at Heather Gearhart11 and on my Facebook page, Inspiring Women. That's also Heather Gearhart11. So go and check those out and follow me there, and you'll never miss one. Okay, so today we are doing a life hack, a kitchen cleaning hack, and I'm gonna show you 2 products that will clean your entire kitchen and polish your entire kitchen with just 2 products. Want to know what they are? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so I've got a couple of products, and this first one, the cleaning one, is biodegradable. It's eco-friendly, it's 100% natural ingredients, and I swear by this stuff. I love this stuff. It cleans everything and disinfects everything. So it's one-stop shopping for your actual cleaning and disinfecting of your kitchen, which I will show you in a minute in my ridiculously messy kitchen. Don't judge me, I have lots of children. But the problem with some of those cleaning things is they kind of leave streaks on certain surfaces. So like your granite countertops, or maybe your stainless steel appliances, or your cooktop, or your sink, or whatever. It doesn't always make it super polished and shiny. So the second one that I'm going to show you will actually do that on everything. It's marketed for one type of appliance, but it works on everything. Your wood table, your countertops that are granite, your faucet, your sink, your glass cooktop, your stainless steel appliances. It makes everything shine with one thing. So here they are. So the first thing is Lemi Shine, and I first got introduced to Lemi Shine with this, the dish detergent booster, and I'll have a link in the description to get this. If you don't have this for your dishwasher, you need to get this. If you have problems with spots on your glassware or calcium buildup and stuff like that, this is amazing. So you use a regular detergent, whatever you're gonna use for the dishwasher, and then you put about a teaspoon of this in there. Oh my gosh, I can't live without this. It's so amazing. But what I didn't know was that they make several other products, but one of them is the Lemi Shine Glass and Surface Cleaner. I don't know if you can see it because it's clear, but it's a naturally derived polymer that creates an invisible barrier that repels dust and smudges. You can use this on windows, appliances, wood, mirrors, sealed stone, tile. And here's the directions. Spray on, wipe off. Easy as that. They're not kidding. I clean my entire bathroom with this. I clean my entire kitchen with this. I do it on mirrors. I do it on glass. I do it on granite. I do it on stainless steel. I use this for everything, and it's biodegradable and natural. Love this stuff. In fact, my son, who's 9, discovered this in the store because I sent my daughter to go get glass cleaner, and she sent him to go find it, and I'm thinking Windex, and he came back with this because it says glass cleaner, and she's like, whatever, that's fine. I may have kissed and hugged him a few times. So this is what I clean my kitchen and bathrooms with now, one product, and it works amazingly. But then when I want something totally polished, like shiny, you can see your reflection in, I use stainless steel wipes. Now this is marketed for stainless steel. On the back, it does show refrigerators, stoves and ranges, small appliances, dishwashers, and grills, and it does shine them very well. But then I was thinking, well, I wonder if this works on other things. So I tried it on my granite countertops. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
I tried it on my wood table. It's amazing. I tried it on my faucets. It's amazing. I tried it on my glass cooktop. It's amazing. I tried it in my sink. Amazing.
Every single thing in my kitchen, this thing polished up, super shiny. So I'm gonna take you to my kitchen and show you how it looks. Okay, I'm here in my kitchen, and it kind of looks clean, but don't be fooled. There's a lot of gunk in here, and this says It repels dust and smudges and has gunk guard. Shine on, grime off. Let's test this out. Bonus, my kids made these. Just get these throwaway cups and use a black Sharpie, then stick a tea light, one of those battery operated ones underneath, and they glow. So fun. Also, this is a coffee cup warmer that's on a timer and warms up your coffee mugs so that when you put warm coffee in it, it doesn't go into a cold cup, because I'm that girl. Okay, now that we've cleaned with the cleaner, we're going to go ahead and use these stainless steel wipes that are in here. And we're going to polish everything up. This thing is going to
shine like the top of the Chrysler Building!
That's right, Annie. The top of the Chrysler Building. Okay, so this is the kitchen now, and I'm hoping you can see just how clean everything looks. All of the appliances are clean and polished. The table is beautifully polished. I mean, look at that, it's like glass. And then even this faucet, completely polished. There's all my Halloween stuff in my yard. The window is clearly not clean, but all the canisters, I mean, look at those things. They are just shiny, shiny, super shiny and clean. So there you go. And my Halloween decorations. Also, we draw on our clementines for Halloween. So that's my video for today. Get you some Lemi Shine glass and surface cleaner. It's biodegradable and organic. Love it, cleans everything, and then polish everything up with this. 2 products, kitchens and bathrooms, totally done. Plus it says on here that it has a gunk guard. You know a mom came up with that term, gunk guard, because kids are full of gunk. Get you some of this stuff. Okay, that's it for today's video. I will have links in the description box where you can pick some of this stuff up, but it's also sold in stores, so you can go pick it up there. And I hope this inspires you to go and get some of this stuff and get some gunk off of your kitchen and bathrooms. Kids are so gross. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.